Cathie Wood bought the house, man. She bought so many shares of this company. She literally just bought some yesterday on the 6th of November. That was yesterday, right? Yep. And I'm about to show you what she bought. I'm about to show you, actually, I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm going to show you what she bought. And I'm also going to show you the charts because earnings is tomorrow for DNA stock. This is going to be huge, or this is going to be a complete train wreck. Let me know down below what you think is going to happen. Earnings is after hours tomorrow on Wednesday. Are you holding? Are you buying? Are you selling? What are you doing today? Because right now we're up, we're positive, we're looking good. Cathie Wood and ARK Invest obviously believe a lot in this company. My assumption would be that they think earnings is going to be very good and the stock is going to move higher. That's why they bought so heavy yesterday. Don't forget to drop a like. Would always appreciate that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. This is not financial advice. It's just my own opinion with me sharing the news, the charts with you. Let's get right into it. Here it is. They bought an ARK-G and ARK-K. ARK-K over 386,000 shares and ARK-G over 86,000. So basically they spent over $700,000 yesterday by purchasing more DNA shares. They have been buying it for months. They haven't sold a single share yet, but maybe, just maybe, they might be selling soon, especially if this stock moves higher. Now for DNA, where I'm at with the company, I wouldn't say that I am long-term on the stock as of yet. I think earnings, as I dive deep into that, and it kind of paints me the picture of what DNA could actually become and what their earnings statement looks like, then I might change my perception, my view on if I want to be long-term on the stock. But I am in the stock right now. I hold quite a bit of shares of DNA because I do see the stock moving much higher, but I might be selling at certain price points depending what the charts look like and really depending how earnings turns out. So we've talked about the charts a lot on this channel, and I want to make it as simple as possible for you guys. I know it can get very confusing, especially with a lot of people on YouTube kind of explaining how they read the charts and what they do to trade different stocks. I keep it very simple. One, I look at the smart money, and I said in a video before, smart money is going to probably be buying at $1.30, $1.31, and that's that white shaded area. So you could see that they bought it up there and we ran, and now we're coming back down. Another good positive thing is we broke this descending trend line, this white line right here. We had a strong move up. We also broke through resistance, this white line right here. It was support for a long time. If you go back on the charts, you'll see that that area, I think it was like $1.56. It looks to be about $1.58, $1.59. You can see that was very strong support if you just go back. But then it became resistance. Once we broke through right here and we started crashing down, and then smart money bought right here, we broke through it, which is a good sign. So we broke through the new resistance, and now we're just testing it out, right? And this is going to be the big decision that DNA has to make. Either earnings is going to be really bad, and I think we're going to crash even lower, or earnings is going to be great, and that would make a lot of sense on why they bought up, why we broke resistance, and then we're going to move much higher. Now, what I'm looking for the move higher, if DNA does move higher, okay, I think a big move can come in the next couple days or the next couple of weeks, depending how the market takes earnings, which again is tomorrow after hours. But I'm looking for this yellow descending trend line up here. You can see we are just trading. We bounced off of it before, and then we've been crashing down. I'm also watching the Keltner channels very closely. If you want to learn more about all of this, you can join the Patreon down below for $7 a month. I put out information literally every single day, and we have a great community on a private Discord chat that you get access to. You also want to look at these big red shaded areas. This is where smart money is selling. Okay, smart money is buying, smart money is selling, and by smart money I mean institutions, most likely. That's what this indicator tells us. It seems to be accurate. We've looked at it from before, and things have played out the way that we expected it to. So can a move up to $2.23 happen? Yes, absolutely. This is on a Fibonacci retracement, the 786 level as well. This would be an area where I would think we would probably get pretty oversold on the RSI. The stochastic would probably be pretty high. And obviously, a lot of people would probably be taking profits. We know how DNA moves. It's very volatile. This is why I don't know if I really want to hold a bag long term, but I am holding right now, and I am going to play earnings, and I am staying positive that this stock will move higher. Now, what I do doesn't mean you should do the same thing. You got to do your own research. You got to look into the company, look at the charts, do what your gut is telling you. But for me right now, this is where we're at. So guys, subscribe, come back tomorrow or the next day. I will be making an update video on DNA and their earnings call and really my long-term vision for the company. Don't forget to drop a like. Hope you have a great day. See you on the next one.